Child, did y'all see where the people had missed the damn boat? They had missed the boat, honey. Child. The boat said bye. The boat said I flew away. The boat said bye voyage. Baby. Or the boat being a kiki now. Honey. Look at him. I would have been in tears. I ain't gonna lie to you. And they kikiing at him. That's fierce. Honey, that's fierce. Honey, y'all ain't missed nothing. This what would have happened. Y'all ain't missed nothing. Y'all ain't missed nothing but the Titanic. Child. Child, for all my cruise lovers. Honey, where was you at? Where you at? Where you at? Child, yes, honey. Rose and the piece of door. Honey. Child, y'all be pressed about these cruises, honey. So pressed about them that y'all getting locked up and having your children taken away. Keisha! Somebody please explain to me how Lakeisha lost her damn children on... Lakeisha said that she had already put down her deposit. Honey, Lakeisha said, fuck them kids. Honey. Oh, Keisha. You going to jail. Girl. Keisha still got on her vacation wig and her lashes. Honey. Keisha, did they snatch Keisha off the boat? Oh, Keisha ain't got her lashes for trial. She ain't had the lashes for trial. Keisha, did the girl snatch your lashes off? Oh, Keisha, did you get in a tussle? Because, honey, that wig looked like... Girl, you need some oil sheen on her. Girl, Keisha, you know you going to jail. Keisha, you know you going to jail. But then again, maybe not. Maybe not, because we got mothers out here doing... Protect the damn kids. We got mothers out here doing worse.
Ruled within the last hour that Daisha Lacey did not commit a criminal act of neglect that resulted in her 2-month-old baby's death. Lacey allegedly admitted in a police interview that she smothered her child while she was high on meth and tired. She allegedly put a pillow on the baby's face to make her stop crying. Lacey's other daughter, who was only 3 at the time, testified that she saw her mom put a pillow on her baby's face. But there was no medical or physical evidence presented at trial to show that the baby was smothered or that she died from suffocation. The judge said that the charges were not appropriate in this case.
Court accordingly enters judgment of not guilty, reluctantly. I do hope that you will take the opportunity to get the counseling that you need, to get the counseling for the children that you need, that you learn from this behavior, and hopefully the rest of the community learns from this behavior, that you cannot go out and party on the weekend and be with children. May not have been a safe place to put.
Toxicology report did show meth in Daisha Lacey's system, but Judge Mark Stoner said if she had been charged with reckless homicide or involuntary manslaughter, he could have found her guilty, but she's not guilty of neglect of the dependent resulting in death. Daisha Lacey has been...
Child, honey. And y'all been wondering why we celebrated O.J. Simpson. He set a precedent for you Negroes to start getting away with murder. Honey. Lord, honey. They didn't charge her enough. They didn't charge her with a high enough crime. They charged her with a lesser crime and found out that what she did was more severe. They charged her with neglect. She was on trial for neglect resulting in the child perishing. They ended up finding out that she was really guilty of taking the damn child's life. High on Tina. Partying with a capital T. Clock Daisha. Go ahead and clock Daisha's ass out, honey. Clock Daisha's ass out. But two things that these cases have in common is, where's the damn father? Where's the father? Where are the fathers of these children?
Yo, send it to the jails, y'all. Free food, y'all.
Child, this is where the fathers at. They being locked up and arrested by their brothers. Why was everybody cheering? It's no good answer. It's no right answer. Why was everybody cheering? Either they was happy that he was gone, or they thought it was a kiki. Either way, it's not. No, it's not good. Child, is y'all protecting the damn children? Y'all need to protect the damn children from the homosexuals. Didn't they tell you that you need to protect the children from the transgenders? Honey? They say you need to protect the children so that they don't become transgender, honey. But don't protect them from becoming a furry and biting people's ankles and using the litter box in public as children in school. I know you fucking lie. I know. We didn't just got comfortable. We didn't just got comfortable as a community with men not being there, and we've just gotten. It's become so common that we don't even notice it no more. Do you? No, nobody asked about the father, did they?